door. Who could it be at this time? Hello?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! I have a delivery for Fishhook. You were on my nice list.
Oh, I made the nice list this year?
Yes.
Oh, man. What do you got? Let me shake it. Oh, sounds nice. This is for me?
Yes.
Well, Santa, you know what? This is your lucky day.
What do you got? Whoa, that's a lot of money.
Would you
How do
like
I
to
get
have
that?
this? Hey, you know about Fishhook, right?
No.
See, you're going to be on my naughty list, but I'm going to get you on my nice list now.
Okay.
Did you not subscribe to Fishhook?
No, I haven't heard about it.
Guys, do you believe this? Santa knows everything, and he doesn't know about Fishhook.
So what's all the money for?
Well, for you to get this, Santa, Fishhook is doing a great giveaway, a thank you to all our many subscribers on this channel. And you could be one of them. Oh, you're nice and soft, Santa. Well, we're giving away 250 buckaroos.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Ho,
Well,
ho, ho.
I guess Mrs. Claus would love you to come home with that, wouldn't
Oh,
you?
yeah, she would
Well,
like that.
you're going to have to wait till New Year's Day.
Okay, I'll do it.
And if you subscribe, pinky promise, you're going to subscribe?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to come and get you if you do. I can check my subscriber list.
I'm definitely subscribing for that.
250 bucks. We are going to announce it New Year's Day, guys. Don't let Santa take your present. You got to beat him to the punch.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah, he's pretty hard to beat, let me tell you. If that case right there can get down the chimney, this guy's slick. He knows how to get things when he wants them. Well, guys, don't miss this opportunity. Giveaway 2019, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, will be announced on New Year's Day. I hope one of you guys are the lucky winner and not Santa Claus. This time, we want to give to the people. But if Santa beats you, sorry. What can I say? Well, guys, we hope you have a wonderful Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, yeah. Where are you going to be for New Year's? Do you think you can hang around?
Sure.
Well, guys, we wish you a Merry Christmas, ho, 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 and a very, very Happy New Year. Remember the reason for the season? Santa knows the reason for the season, and I know it. It's Jesus. So, guys, I hope you're all blessed today. I hope you have a wonderful time with your families and friends, and be looking for 250 bucks to some happy subscriber on New Year's Day. Take care.